guys, in today's video, we're gonna be playing bingo in Animal Company with...
I'm coming.
So
wait,
yeah,
lady,
let's just,
wait,
go ahead and get into it. So, alright guys,
ooh, okay,
so,
first one.
this is the bingo board, so, let's go ahead and get into it. You know what to do.
Okay. 3.
Blue. Team blue.
Alright, we're
team
in the
blue.
lobby. Let's go
team
ahead.
Blue.
Go, hurry.
Promo code team. Put it.
Alright, right now we're doing win a game in arena. Let's go. Hurry up. King Star!
Come on.
Okay, let's go. Oh! Get out of here, boy. What the crap? Okay. Hey, yo, spamming back.
Okay, I'll show you. You get out then. Tap, lollipop.
Okay.
Done.
I know y'all heard that.
Be quiet. Oh, they're dead. That's it. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I gotta hurry. Shut up. Next one is Killer Player.
Hey, where'd one of my balls go?
Wait. Oh, it's over there. It's boss stage. Crap. I'm sorry.
Hey, wait. Stand still. Not working.
Doesn't work.
Stop still.
Dude, I need to kill someone. Go on his own, bro.
Dick.
I'll protect you.
What the crap? What?
Whoever keeps using RPGs has a massive skill issue.
No, let me kill him. Let me get him.
Yeah, I know, because all they can do is just...
Okay, I got him. That's
Yeah, no,
it. That's
because,
it.
bro, all the... Can I add you as a friend? Cole? No.
Okay, I'm back under the map. Then we playing. I'm gonna load this in.
Can somebody come down to lava?
I wanna load all this in. Perfect. Bro, there's no way that this has to happen. Okay. I just realized I don't have a pickaxe. Bro, come on, bro. Please be over 5,000. Nut shredder is a bag. Let's go. Okay. That's the bag, by the way.
Orange, do you remember me?
Okay.
I didn't ask you though, yeah. Gotta go check myself. I'm not complete. Where's my friend? It was, no.
Or SPE.
5. Okay, never mind. That's stupid. Wait, they didn't say which side it had to be done. 2, 3. This is the Leaning Tower pizza, but it's side. No! Last one. This is top. No! Yes! 5 bags. Okay. That's 5 bags. Three backflips. Was that 3? I don't think that was 3. This is a strat. 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Wait!
Hey.
Do bippity
No.
boppity
Be
boppity do.
be honest.
Wait,
how
I
old?
have to do that.
It's
Wait,
for a
reload my
challenge, okay?
magical
How
wand.
old?
Abracadabra.
Wait, you want
Actually,
me to just quickly
I'm
reload my
Let's
magical
go.
wand?
Thank you. Okay.
Stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Okay, give me that Sunny Cloud. Give me that. I'm
Here,
not
you try it.
7. Let me do it.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. I'm doing something.
I don't even have a weapon.
Okay, I'm just saying. You feel me? It's for a challenge, you know?
No, I'm trying to get in there, but I can't.
Stop it.
Revolver on it.
We need this.
Wait.
Now grab your revolver back.
Oh shit,
Oh my God. Am I saying it wrong?
It's not working.
Ah, we did.
Yo,
it.
give.
Bro, it's not working. Yeah.
There you
It's
go.
not working.
It's now
If it
invisible.
doesn't work again, I'm gonna use it again.
Okay.
Ta-da!
I don't need this.
Wait, bro, can you teach me how to like put it on?
Okay. You can see those platforms? That's planetary. No, please. Please don't do this to me.
If anyone can kill me, then I'll
Yo,
get
blue.
Look, in the further south. And I got a surprise friend to be on our team. Bro, person in there who bombed me. I want to say.
So we tied, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I'll see y'all later. Bye.